Ano pong gas kinakarga nyo sa Veloz nyo, boss? Sige, Charlie Oscar, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So when it comes to what type of fuel the motorist, car owners, drivers are using, I know this is a very hot topic. Kung ano ba, regular ba or premium. By the way, it's not premium or unleaded lahat unleaded na ngayon. It's just a matter of regular ba or premium, yung medyo mas mahal. So what I'm gonna share to you today is based lang on what I've experienced, yung mga na-try ko, what I've observed, and yeah, hope this helps. So right now, yung latest na kinarga natin kay Veloz natin is yung kay Shell na V-Power. This is not sponsored, but I'm gonna share it anyway. So Shell, baka naman. Pero anyway, kidding aside, V-Power po yung kinarga natin recently because we just had our family trip, very long trip this Holy Week lang. And every time umuwi kaming probinsya, guys, we really prefer ni Mrs. na V-Power yung ilagay kay Veloz. Why? Because, yun, unang-una ramdam mo yung power talaga. Hindi lang siya parang marketing lang, but you can really feel the difference because pag compared lang doon sa fuel save, pagka V-Power yung gamit natin, no, mas, ayun, parang medyo mas mabilis nga siya, which very useful nun sa mga overtaking, mas mabilis tayo makakarating sa destination natin, and at the same time, yan, sobrang kailangan mo nun ng extra boost of power, kumbaga, parang naka-turbo yung pakiramdam mo eh. So, every time umuwi ng probinsya or long trips, highly recommended yung V-Power. Nagkataon lang talaga na I was answering this question. We just recently had a long trip, which is parang twice or thrice a year lang naman, or sometimes even 4 times a year. But if not, usually guys, during city driving, regular season lang natin ang buhay natin, I really just use fuel save. Yan. So, I know there are a lot of back and forth, dapat mas premium, mas mahal yung gagamitan mo, mas peace of mind ka sa sasakyan mo in the long run. But ever since, kahit nung Toyota Vios pa ako, until now, okay pa rin naman yung takbo, kahit fuel save lang. Now with the Veloz, after 1 year, sobrang okay pa rin naman si fuel save. So, yan, highly recommended fuel save pag hindi umuwi ng probinsya. Matipid naman para sa akin. So, if you wanna know more about the Toyota Veloz or other 7-seaters or other cars, go ahead to my YouTube channel, check out the playlist tab. Hopefully, you can find some videos there that could possibly help you. So, sana nakatulong. Follow for more.